viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. And if you are very new into this channel, please welcome. Today I'll be talking about things to consider before you start your poultry farming and also factors to consider for your birds to start laying early. Welcome. The first point is the quality of chicks. You should look for chicks in a reputable source so that you can get the quality and F1 chicks that will grow faster without so many diseases. In order to get your birds laying early enough to start getting your income without using a lot of money. Another point is the quality of feeds. Quality feeds is very important because when you get quality feeds from the beginning, your chicks will grow faster without many challenges like diseases. Also, vaccination is also important. Always vaccinate your birds against these viral diseases so that they will not be attacked by the diseases and affect the growth of the birds. And diseases also can lead to the delay in the laying of the birds. The other point is about biosecurity. You should restrict movements in your chicken coop because of people spreading diseases to your chicken, like Newcastle. And also have somewhere people will dip their legs, like a basin of water and disinfectant, so as to kill germs and not to pass to your birds. Also have clean water always. Chickens need fresh water always because it is essential to your birds. So make sure you have clean water at all times and avoid chlorinated water, which is harmful to your birds. Also have enough feeders and drinkers so that every chicken will have access to feeds and water to avoid competitions of feeds. When the feeders are not enough, you find that the weak ones are not able to access the feeds well, so their growth rate will be affected and they will not start laying at the same time. They will not lay uniformly. Also give your birds enough feeds. Like in the mature birds, you should give 120 to 140 grams of feeds per day. And if you do that, you'll find that your birds will lay well and at the right time and also lay large eggs. Lastly, remember also to keep your chicken coop clean so as to avoid a lot of infections that will hinder your birds from laying early because of getting sick now and then. So consider the factor as a very important factor. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please give the video a like and also a comment. I'm Esther from Esther Farm. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber and viewer, thank you. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Let's take this channel to the next level. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.